I have the information you wanted.
Yes, everything is in place.
You can count on me. Z perfume is truly captivating. It speaks softly, yet leaves a lasting impression. And it's clean beauty with conscious care. Beauty that speaks softly, leaves a lasting impression. Clean beauty, conscious care. With Z Beauty, experience beauty in every mood. Let me show you. It leaves a lasting impression. Clean beauty, conscious care.